Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a landing page and connect it to Softr step by step clearly. To create a landing page and connect it to Softr, start by logging into your Softr account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create New Application button. Choose a template that suits your landing page needs. After selecting a template, click on Use Template. You will be taken to the Application Builder interface. On the left side, you will see various elements you can add to your landing page. Drag and drop elements like text blocks, images, and buttons onto your page. Customize each element by clicking on it and adjusting the settings in the right panel. Add a form element if you want to collect user information. In the form settings, specify the fields you want to include, such as name and email. Once the design is complete, click on the Settings tab at the top. In the Settings tab, navigate to the Domain section. Here, you can set a custom domain or use a Softr-provided URL. If using a custom domain, follow the instructions to connect it properly. Now it's time to connect your landing page to a data source. Navigate to the Data tab on the left-hand side. Select the source from which you want to pull or send data, such as Airtable or Google Sheets. If using Airtable, click on the Connect Airtable button. Fill in your Airtable API key and base ID as instructed. Make sure to select the correct table and fields that you want to display on your landing page. After connecting your data source, return to the Application Builder. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure your dynamic data displays correctly. Once you're satisfied with the landing page layout and data integration, click on the Preview button. This allows you to see how your landing page will appear to visitors. If everything looks good, click on the Publish button. Your landing page is now live and connected to Softr. You can share the URL with your audience or use your custom domain. Monitor any submissions or interactions through your data source. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.